I need you to pay close attention as we're about to reveal to you a simple trading technique that, once implemented, will have you walking away with $231.53 every single trading day. That's $6,945.90 profit at the end of this month and every month from now on, starting with as little as $10 or $5 per trade and a few minutes of your time. Through our unique proprietary DBP software, you'll be given a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to legally copycat the same winning trades that accumulated an increase of up to 587% in equity for our members in just 49 days. And we're here to prove it right now. Our performance record is verified and published daily to all our members using real-life trading accounts at trustworthy binary option brokers. I'll even demonstrate with a few trades right now, so you can see for yourself how extremely simple it really is for you once you get your hands on this in a few minutes. But before I do that, I just want to make one thing crystal clear. This system is worth thousands of dollars a week, and we could easily sell a license for $2,000 a month and still sleep well at night. But we don't need to do this. Today, we're giving this unique software away for free. In other words, you won't have to pay a single dollar to anyone to get your DBP license. We don't need your credit card number or your PayPal account details, and you can do whatever you like with the profits. You probably think we're crazy, giving you DBP for free. And the reason is that we know it works. We have so much confidence in it. But more importantly, so do the brokers. That's how we manage to negotiate great terms with them. When you make money, so do we, and so do the brokers. Now that we're both on the same page, let's move on to a real-life example. I'm opening now my daily binary profits account, and as you can see, we're starting to get live real-time trading signals right away. Its simplified interface and state-of-the-art technology will give you just the information you need to know at the right time you need to get it. And with more than 120 pinpoint accurate signal alerts guaranteed per day, I can choose which ones I want to trade or trade as many as I want. So at this point, all that's left for me to do is to go to my preferred broker and place the trade. It's really that simple. No complicated calculations. No staring for hours at a computer screen. No costly subscription fees. In fact, it takes around 25 seconds to place a trade. There's literally no limit to how many signals I can profit from. Profits can be seen immediately. Now I'm going to place the next two signals in front of your eyes. As you can see here, I'm using 60-second trades to demonstrate in this video, but you have the option to choose the time frame that suits you best. Short-term trades are for 60 seconds, all the way to 5 minutes, which is great for regular and practically instant income. However, long-term trades provide an enhanced level of accuracy and can generate more profits. So here we are. I have already logged into my broker account. Now let's go to DBP and see what's happening. I'll pick one of the many active signals. They are all strong, so I can easily handpick one of them. Let's choose the US dollar and Japanese yen. The time period until expiration is 1 to 5 minutes, and that's a perfect time frame to use for the purposes of this video. So we have more than enough time to place the trade. Note the direction is up. So we need to place a trade for USD yen. Let's go to the broker and choose short term. This is where we go to trade short term options. We are going to trade on USD yen and choose the direction up. I've decided to place $25 on this trade. I have now placed the trade, and it only took me about 15 seconds to do it. Now I'm going to find a different asset. So I'm trading British pound yen. So let's go for it and find the option. Yes, here it is. The direction is up as well. So we are going to trade for the same amount, $25. That's it. Placed now. Here you can see both of the trades. When the color is green, it means we are in the money, meaning that our trade is on the right direction. Otherwise, it would be red. Simple. At the moment, you can see that both trades are profitable. And this is exactly what DBP predicted. You'll see it fluctuating for a few seconds until this trade expires. Our first trade just expired and we are obviously in the money. So while it calculates, let's go and see what's happening with the other one. Pound yen is also in a solid profitable position. You can see by the green color. This signal was really strong and will for sure secure a profit for us again, exactly as DBP predicted. Perfect. The first asset has a positive return. As you can see, we invested $25 and we have a return of $42.50. And you can see here, the second trade was also positive. Even though it's still calculating, there we go. Perfect. In the money again. So to recap then, for both trades, we invested $25, right? And the return for both was 70%. So we have a return of $42.50 on each one, which means we have $17.50 profit on each trade. So that's a total of $35. In less than 3 minutes, you've just watched me make a profit of $35 with absolutely no applied knowledge or previous trading experience. The best thing is, I could repeat this same process 10, 20, or even 100 times each day and make as much money as I want. But you don't have to take my word for it. I'm not the only person this is working for. We selected a handful of people at random with different backgrounds and levels of trading experience to take part in a 7-week test. We funded their trading accounts with a small initial deposit and had them use DBP every day for 7 weeks. The results were fantastic. Profits ranged between $378 to $2,497 per week, spending no more than 30 minutes each day. Those that decided to invest more time into the system were rewarded with an overall increase of up to 587% by increasing their investments from the profits they made. The sizable profits against such modest risks are nothing short of an industry breakthrough. By simply entering your name and email today, here's what you'll be getting: a professional, user-friendly automated software that we've designed entirely in-house with real-time alerting that will provide you with a steady stream of income for the rest of your life. Full access to the software and all future upgrades with no costly data feeds for you to buy. This alone could save you thousands. A combination of short-term signals for quick profits and long-term signals for enhanced accuracy. 24/7 premium customer support from our team of trained professionals that will guide you through every stage of the process. As I said earlier, we're giving you access to our daily money generating method for free without taking even a dime from you. There's no pay now and refund later pretenses, or free trial periods that turn into monthly subscription fees at the blink of an eye. We don't want or need your money, so don't delay another minute. You simply cannot afford to be without this breakthrough new software. Grab it.